Greetings, developers and hackathon participants. Welcome to the Defining DeFi Polygon Award Showcase Supplement. Today, we are going to view all of the demo videos that were submitted and received pool prizes during the awards ceremony. Sit back and enjoy.
Hi, welcome to Team Solarzo. We are happy to participate in this year Defining DeFi Hackathon by Moralis and Google. When we were brainstorming in the hackathon project idea, we noticed that the creators of NFTs, especially collectibles art, have very few buyers. A recent report mentioned that there will be 1 billion creators in next 5 years, which requires an infrastructure for creators alone. We observed many challenges in accelerating the creators economy. We figured out that the two fundamental problems are accessibility and usability of Web3 products. Complex UI and fancy terminology in Web3 make Web2 users hesitant to dive in the world of Web3. We decided to build a product which solves the problem of accessibility and usability for non-native Web3 users. So we began with a core focus on UI UX, which is simple and identical to the existing Web2 companies with the Web3 technology. We built the BNPL Buy Now Pay Later tool for easy and hassle-free purchase of NFTs without the burden of paying the whole amount in one shot. Web2 market has lot of short-term loans to buy goods and services, but in Web3 this is not seen often. Giving the service like BNPL will increase daily active users and volume of NFT traders. We built our product on Polygon since it is the best blockchain to launch an NFT project with high frequency and low value transaction. Like in the physical world, an affordable product creates customer demand which leads to people willing to spend more of it. And the same goes for Polygon based NFTs. We have added user authentication and IPFS from Moralis and added Covalent API for metadata fetching. In the Solarzo website, we can scroll down to see marketplaces consisting different NFTs. At the bottom most, we have our social media handles where users can connect to know the updates about Solarzo. In the topmost right corner, we see documentation, checkout, and repayment buttons. Checkout option allows to buy NFTs by providing details such as URL of the NFT and bidding price of the NFT. Our product is on testnet, so in order to purchase the NFT, we have to go to the OpenSea testnet and select the collection and NFT. We can check the current price and all the details in the page. Copy the URL of the NFT selected and paste it on the checkout page of the Solarzo and put the bidding price. On clicking Get Details, a page will appear showing NFT details, transaction and installment details in USD. Users can check and confirm the details such as NFT name, price, etc. After checking satisfactorily, in order to buy or avail BNPL service, users have to connect the wallet and click BNPL. Gas fee with total amount in Matic will appear on the screen, which needs to be confirmed. Once we confirm, we have to wait for some time and we can see the confirmation notification appears on the screen. To check if our bidding offer is listed or not, we have to go on the same NFT URL and check in offers. Our offer will be listed here. Once the bidding offer is approved, users have to repay the total amount in 3 installments. To make a repayment, users have to go to the repayment option and then check the repayment amount. Click Repay Now. The wallet connected will appear. Check the details and click Confirm. On successful completion, a notification will appear of repayment successful. When we go again to the repayment, we can see the number of repayment remaining is 2 since we already made one repayment.
Hi, my name is Maria Gital.
Hello, I'm Mohammed.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Hello, I'm Jaffa.
And we are Team FemCent, all of us final year CS students. FemCent is a decentralized finance platform that enables SMEs to carry out cross-border transactions quickly and efficiently at a minimal cost, promoting economic growth. Now, let me tell you a story about my mother, who is currently in the perfume business. Twice a year, she travels either to Dubai or the UAE in order to replenish her stock. There are three main challenges she faces. The first one is that she pays upwards of $500 in order to make a single transaction. The second is that there are often delayed transactions, as banks sometimes take long in order to approve international transactions. And the third is that when balancing her books at the end of a financial year, she often has to pay an external accountant in order to harmonize the various transaction costs occurred throughout the year. This is where FemCent comes in. FemCent is a decentralized finance platform that would allow my mom and other small and medium-sized business owners to hold their money in stable coins, which are digital currencies pegged on a stable reserve asset like the US dollar. They can then instantaneously make transactions to a bank or another digital wallet at a fraction of the cost and the time that it would take should they use a traditional banking platform. Moreover, because blockchain is an immutable ledger, at the end of a financial year, they can have access to all their financial records, including exchange rates, gas fees, etc.
In our solution, we have already integrated with M-Pesa, Africa's most successful mobile money service, and our users can easily top up using any amount of money in their M-Pesa. Furthermore, we have made the user onboarding process very simple. Our users don't need to have email accounts to access the blockchain, nor do they need to create passwords. They sign in and sign up with their mobile numbers and authenticate via SMS.
And a quick demonstration of how the application works. So you connect your wallet, and this is enabled by Moralis. I'll connect account 1 to the application, connect. This is the landing page I'll see. With the app, you can actually send and receive payments. And for you to send a payment, you can click on the button send or receive. And it's going to prompt a model where there's the input field of the token you want and the address you're sending to. So I'll just click USDC because we are working with stable coins. And I'll use a dummy wallet that's going to receive the payment. So I'll paste the address of test one there, and we can check the balance of USDC we have at the moment. So it has a 90 at the end. So I'll just do 10 USDC. So it has to go back to 80. So continue, transfer in progress. So we'll expect to see a complete message. Yes. So transfer complete. When you go back to send, fetching USDC, it's back to 80. So meaning we remitted a 10 USDC to the dummy wallet test one. And if you wish to receive payments, just click on receive. It generates a QR code that you can send to your clients, and also the option of copying the address and sending the address to your clients directly. And the other option is on ramping, because it's a local solution for the SMEs in Kenya and Africa as a whole. So you need to have an easy onboarding process. So you just click deposit or withdraw. So KES is Kenyan shillings, and you're going to enter the amount you wish. So let's say 100 shillings. And this is where you enter your number. So for my case, I'll just use a random number and click continue. So this is my screen, and you're going to get a prompt so that you can deposit cash into your wallet. Yeah, so the prompt says, do you want to pay 100 to account FemCent? And here you can enter your PIN, and that's how you can deposit money into your wallet. So thank you, and I'll hand over to Jaffa Abdikadir.
Here at FemCent, we do not undervalue the significance of fair compensation towards encouraging decent work for all. And remember, banks are old, we are not. Thank you.
I'll be introducing Xanfi, which is a decentralized platform that serves to make investment in crypto more approachable through crypto indexes. Although cryptocurrency has been more widely adopted over the years, it still falls short in ownership compared to stocks. In the United States, only 22% of the adult population owns cryptocurrencies, compared to the 58% of the adult population that owns stocks. Many are only familiar with a handful of currencies, although there is an extensive amount of currencies in the market. So how can we address these problems? Xanfi serves to simplify the process of building a crypto portfolio by allowing users to create and invest in funds that are made of underlying crypto assets. And what is the benefit to this? For one, users can track performance of crypto assets that are similar. They can also have a risk-tolerant portfolio by owning different crypto assets. Last but not least, beginners can also find it easier to start a crypto portfolio. Now let's take a look at the platform and the main action items that a user can take. They can start by creating a fund, where they'll be able to enter a name of their fund, define the amount of USDT they wish to extract from their wallet to purchase the underlying assets. Then they will select the three underlying assets of their fund. Next, they will select the percentages that will define the distribution of each asset within their fund. And that's it. They can create the fund. Now let's say they instead want to explore funds that other users have created and purchase tokens for the existing funds. Then they can go and explore funds, and let's say they're interested in purchasing TGC. They will be able to see a snapshot of its performance, as well as a breakdown of their portfolio. Beyond the MVP, they will also be able to view trading history, as well as other funds that people are purchasing. But if they choose to purchase it, they will hit trade now. Then they will be able to see how much money they have in their wallet to spend. And all they have to do is to define the number of tokens they wish to purchase. And then the price and estimated costs will be auto-populated. And they just have to select purchase, and they will have purchased the amount of tokens they defined for that fund.
Hello, this is demo of Xpetra project. Xpetra is a Web3 portfolio management application where you can track your portfolio across fiat and crypto. Let's begin from demo of the mobile application. So in this application, you may notice it is for fiat. Here you can track your income, your accounts, cash, bank accounts, bank cards, and expenses. For example, let's get, we got some salary in our MasterCard account. For example, $500. And it will appear here. Similarly, let's spend some of this money to buy some food. For example, for $15. And it will also appear like this. You can also, for example, withdraw this to the cash, like $50. And you can also add additional categories of income or others, like that. Here you can see all of your transactions. For example, this $15 for the food. Here you can see your incomes by categories and expenses by categories. In the future, we want to also integrate Web3 portfolio in this application. For now, this Web3 portfolio is done with help of the Moralis. Here, for example, let me refresh this page. If I will put my wallet address and select, for example, some blockchain like Polygon or Ethereum, I can get the balance of this wallet. I can also check the tokens which are in this wallet, as well as NFTs from this wallet. Also, you can download this mobile application. If you click here, you can download the APK file. Apart from that, another novelty of this application is NFT subscriptions. So normally you can get premium subscription by subscribing in the application. However, in this case, you can get lifetime premium subscription if you have NFTs of etc. Also, by staking these NFTs, you get additional EXP tokens as a rewards. So let me show you the demo here. Let me mint some NFT. Wait for transaction. It is in Polygon Mumbai. So after NFT is claimed, it will redirect to the staking page where I already have one NFT staked, and this is NFTs that I just got. Let's stake this one as well. So here you can see your rewards that you can claim and your current balance. So transaction confirmed. Let's wait some time. Or let's refresh this page. You may notice this NFT is now staked and we get more rewards now. You can claim rewards by clicking here. And you may notice rewards have been claimed.
everyone, my name is Luis Xavier. I am from Mexico City, and today I'm here to present to you OK Gold. We are reshaping the face of traditional finance for social minorities by creating private banked pools and giving back power to the people. We have identified 4 key problems. 1. Whoever controls the money controls the power. 2. Free speech leads to frozen bank accounts. 3. Freedom of money leads to money ownership, and transactions fees gotta go. 4. We have the classic dilemma. How can you send me money without knowing my public address? To solve these issues, banking needs to be set free. OK Gold is a platform for decentralized banking owned by the communities. You can create your first vault to get started. You can now start accepting deposits from other wallets. Once your vault has been funded, you have 2 options. You can withdraw your funds to your wallet, or you can disperse the funds to community members. Scan this QR code to try it out now. To make a payment, all you need is to scan the QR code or tap one of our gold cards. Authenticate with MetaMask or your favorite wallet. You can now make a payment and leave a note. Upon block confirmation, your funds will be available in your vault. If you are the vault owner, you will be presented with a few more options. You can click here to review your transactions. And of course, it's your money, so you have the freedom to withdraw from your vaults at any time. Creating a new vault is very simple. In a few seconds, you can customize your vault and start accepting deposits. Here is our business model. We have open sourced the code for the world, so you're free to use and improve the code. We make money from merch, partnerships, and corporate integrations. And if you love this project, feel free to donate to us. What happens after today? We are already live on testnet, and we are going live to Ethereum by the end of November. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're interested to learn more, download our app today and join the bankless revolution.
Hello and a warm welcome. The name of our project is Inherit Tokens. Let your nominees get what they deserve. What happens to a person's crypto assets after they pass away? As of January 2022, the average cost of an NFT is $6,900. Approximately 360,000 people own NFTs. As of November 2021, there is a $2.9 trillion market for crypto assets, including tokens and collectibles, which means there is so much at stake in the case of the untimely death of these crypto asset owners. We have got a fix for that. You can choose a nominee and safely transfer your crypto assets to them with inherit tokens in the event of your passing. How does that function? First, appoint a nominee for your assets on the Inherit Tokens platform. Second, if your wallet has not been used for 6 months, the platform will send you an official email verifying the transfer to the nominee account. Third, if the owner is alive, they have 1 month to reply to the email and cancel the transfer. Otherwise, the nominee receives a transfer of the nominated assets. Let me take you over to our platform. It is a landing page. After signing up, the user will receive an email with a magic link. We will verify the user's email and then the user will be taken to their profile page. In this section, the user can view all of the NFTs and tokens in his wallet. All NFTs, tokens, and the transaction history were retrieved from the user's wallet using the Moralis API. In addition, user can see all the nominees he has added. He can add the nominee by simply clicking on this Add Nominee button. Here it is showing nominated, that means the user has already nominated this NFT. User can nominate the nominee by simply clicking on this Choose Nominee button. Here user can see all the nominees he has added. User can choose any nominee for any asset. By clicking on the Select button, user has to sign the transaction. Here we are taking approval in advance from the user for that particular asset. So in case of user's demise, we can simply transfer that asset to the nominee. We created a smart contract and deployed on Polygon. We used ERC20 and ERC721 functions to obtain approval from the owner when they nominate. We created a Python scheduler to automatically send mail to the owner after 6 months of inactivity, and the mail will be delivered automatically to the nominee if the owner does not reply within a month. Upcoming plan is to enhance the platform's functionality for smart wallet backup and recovery. When private keys are lost, the upcoming version will also be employed to guard against the loss of cryptographic assets. We will finish this functionality shortly because it is simple and only requires a few minor adjustments. Thank you.